Hello friends, the Turkish Communication Programme for Public Officers and Academicians, Kati, is a programme for promising foreign public officials, researchers and academicians who want to learn Turkish. The programme lasts 8 months. As well as Turkish education, the programme aims to further ties between Turkish and foreign public officials and academics, and organises many events such as corporate visits, excursions and so on. Please visit our other videos for more detailed information on Türkiye scholarship programmes. We wish you all a good day.